Roark Aerospace Unveils Aero-Ark, Drone Detection as a Service with Bespoke Technologies, by DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb. Roark Aerospace recently announced their new Aero-Ark drone detection as a service product, a fully self-contained, AI-powered mobile unit that uses a bespoke forward scatter detection and packet sniffing technologies to monitor drone incursions and provide live tracking and identifier information in real time. Designed with modularity in mind, it can either operate on its own or as a part of a different drone detection platform. Forward scatter analysis involves detecting changes in the radio waves between the onboard receiver and multiple LEO/MEO satellites. VHF, UHF, L-band and GNSS protocols are used to establish continuous, fail-proof coverage. The onboard FPGA can run changes in incoming radio waves through AI algorithms to identify and track drone incursions. Roark touts the increased range of the Aero-Ark forward scatter analysis systems compared to traditional channel scanning methodologies. Aero-Ark drone detection as a service packet sniffing involves the continuous scanning of the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz channels to detect and decrypt broadcast packets made by drones. The Aero-Ark can detect and decrypt 99.8% of commercially available drone signals over both enhanced Wi-Fi and ACUSync. The information contained in these packets allows the system to identify and track drones within a 3 to 5 mile radius. The system also features an omnidirectional antenna which provides a 360-degree scanning methodology from a single unit. The Aero-Ark features LTE, SATCOM, PO and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for increased interoperability of data, including converting broadcast packets into formats such as asterisk. For authorized clients, the Aero-Ark can also deploy counter-UAS measures on a manual or automated basis. While the Aero-Ark is available for sale, it is also being offered as a service in two different ways. One is rapid deployment units, which can install the system on short notice for a fixed amount of time or on a rolling basis to ensure flexibility. The second is the Aero-Ark as a service, with units installed in 70 cities worldwide to allow for easy detection for clients within the coverage area, internally nicknamed the Iron Drone, with future plans for worldwide deployment.